Alrighty. I've been out here shoveling for a couple hours and I'm exhausted. It's still snowing pretty good. As you can tell, this is our street. I'm at the top of it, right here in the backyard here. And this is a path that I've been working on. Did all this. Back here. What's up, Lana? Got plenty of path for you now, girl. Plug out the car.
Yeah.
See our courtyard here. There's Avery. Hi, Avery. What are you doing?
Trying to jump down this little hill.
Where's Lucy?
Down over there trying to sled. It won't work, so I went over here.
Okay.
It's just boring.
She likes that. Did all this path through here this morning. It's the side of our car. We can either redo that. I did dug out this car here. Whew. There's a lot. Watch out, sweetheart. I don't know where your brother is. I guess he's inside. I had to guess. Did I flip this video around? No. Alright.